Checking out the Milwaukee Supercharger for those high output M18 batteries. Let's see what it can do. The Supercharger is up to 6 times faster to charge a battery up to 80%, or full charge with the XC 8.0 Forge is about 33 minutes, or on the HD 12.0 Forge, about 45 minutes. So the Supercharger will pick one battery to go into kind of a lightning mode, and it'll charge that extra fast. There's a cooling fan to keep things nice and cool as the batteries charge, but the main thing here is you just get increased speed. Your batteries are going to charge faster, especially to that 80% mark where they're really good and usable, and they're also faster to a full charge. So overall, this is a great add-on. If you have Milwaukee tools with the M18 platform, the Supercharger is a great one to add. And you gotta love the power bar indicator on the front of those Forge batteries. So if you need a faster charge rate on all your high output Milwaukee M18 batteries, I think the Supercharger is a great one to go with.